It is the season for mystery boxes. I did a video about a Maine Trading Company mystery box, of which I actually bought last year also. That was a nice surprise. So I just Googled ham radio mystery box, and what comes up but another website called RW Antennas. Their website says they've been in business since 1982, so how do I not know who they are? I don't know, but we're going to open their $50 mystery box right now. So this is the website right here. They've actually got a 40, 10, 20, 50, and 30. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and $50 mystery box. And I'm like, well, the Maine Trading Company mystery box that I opened was $25. It might have been 30. I think it was $25. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to get a little bit something a little bit bigger. I also looked at the Gigaparts $250 mystery box. Maybe, I don't know, maybe. but I got this in the mail just like 2 days ago, and it's actually like a bag. I opened it up on the end here because I'm like, oh, is there a box inside of here? No, there's not. There's not a box inside of here. So I didn't really take anything. I took one thing out, and then I put it back in and realized, okay, I want to open this on camera because I want to be surprised by what's in here, so I don't know. So let me take Mezzi and Plomy scissors here and open this thing up right there. RWAntennaStore.com says they've been in business since 1982, and they've got some holiday specials on the front of their website going on right now, so I'm probably going to start adding them to my Friday shopping video. All right, there's a Baofeng cable, programming cable with a K connector right there, and the CD. All the times that I've installed drivers for Baofeng, I've never needed the CD, but sometimes you need the CD, so I'm told anyway. This is a patch cable with an SO239 on one end and a SMA female on the other end, so that might come in useful for some things. And here's a UV5R, and there's a UV5R right there, 2 meters 70 centimeter, actual UV5R right there. And that's what's in there, is a UV5R, and there's nothing else in there. So, is that worth $50? Let me make sure I got the right thing here. Okay, well, there was a mystery box special. There was a 10% discount, so I got it for $45. You know, that's probably about $45 worth of stuff. If you consider this one, he's got a price tag on this one of $35. You can get them cheaper than that on Amazon. These cables sell for about, he's got a price tag on that of $5. I've seen these cables sell for $15 on some websites. And then he's got a price tag on this of $12. So 12 and 15. Well, that's okay. So by his prices, that's $50. 12 plus 3 is 15, plus 35 is 50. So that's a $50 mystery box. A little bit overpriced on the Baofeng, in my opinion. But I mean, if that's what he charges for them, then, and if he's selling them on his website, then okay. You know what? I wasn't really expecting to get anything big and special in a $50 mystery box. I just wanted to open a mystery box for another video. So that's what I did here. So where are some other websites that you guys are buying mystery boxes from? I actually have another one right there that I got just like an hour. This one came in like Friday of last week. This one down here below me came in earlier today, and I didn't know what it was. I couldn't remember. I opened it up. I'm like, oh, that's going to be fun to open. So going to do another mystery box. But have you bought mystery boxes this season, this Black Friday, this holiday season? And if so, where? Put a comment below. Thanks.